Breast implant exchange refers to the procedure where we remove old implants and put in new implants. Kind of like getting your tires changed is what we say. So if you already have, well, you're already going to have incisions if you had breast implants placed in the past. So we can always use the scars that you already have, so we don't have to make new scars. But the real question is if you need a lift or something else done, then we may use those scars instead. It all depends on your future goals with your new breasts once the new implants are placed and whether or not we need to perform a lift or any additional procedures at the time of the implant exchange. Now, if all you need is an implant exchange, meaning you don't have loose skin, your nipples are in good position, and you're getting a similar or larger, a similar sized or larger implant, then a breast implant exchange may be as easy as using your old scar, opening up the old pocket, taking out the old implant and putting in new implants. Now, if I find that the implant is ruptured, I may need to perform a capsulectomy to contain any loose silicone gel. So that is one thing that could change, and I can make that decision during the operation. It's not something that necessarily has to be decided beforehand. The other thing is oftentimes capsulotomies need to be made so that the new implant can sit in a little bit better position from the old implant. And in some cases, the existing or current implants are so far out of where they should be, meaning they have such a bad malposition that I need to create a fresh virgin pocket above the old capsule to place the new implant into and control its position. So breast implant exchanges, it can be as simple as using the scar you have, taking out the old implants and putting in new ones. It can also involve lots of other maneuvers to optimize and improve the appearance of your breasts. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.